my name is Namita Keth. I am a counseling psychologist practicing in Delhi and Gurgaon. In my clinical practice, I see a lot of clients who are suffering from different kinds of psychiatric illnesses, those who are having emotional difficulties and other relationship problems. One area of work which has always been of particular interest to me is dealing or working with clients who are suffering from drug and alcohol addiction. Using cognitive behavioral therapy, I would try and help these clients identify certain situations which act as triggers to their negative thoughts or some negative ideas that they have about themselves, and how these negative ideas and thoughts make them feel some difficult emotions such as anger, depression, or anxiety. With that, we try and also help clients see that it's their poor coping mechanisms which make it hard for them to tackle these difficult emotions, and their mind has so far learned to deal with them by resorting to taking alcohol or some kind of substance. During the course of therapy, we also try to evaluate or challenge some of the distortions which are there in these negative thoughts, to check if these negative thoughts are accurate or inaccurate. And that kind of evaluation helps in reducing the emotional impact associated with these negative thoughts. Alongside, I would also try and make my clients learn certain specific techniques which they can use when they are having cravings or they are having some difficult emotions that they are not able to manage, and use these coping methods during that time so that they do not fall back to taking alcohol or going back to the substance. With that, we try and aim that clients are able to have a better grip over their life and lead a life which is drug or alcohol free. Thank you.